Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x cubed divided by 2 is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So you see that this is a cubic equation. It means that this equation has 3 roots, and now we need to find all that 3 roots of this equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we will move the term 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. So when it is divided by here, when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 4, and we will obtain x cubed is equals to 2 times 4 becomes here 8. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. We know about that 8 be the cube of 2, so we write this 8 as 2 cubed. And in the next step we move the term 2 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 2 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So in the next step here we need to use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this rule, we just apply here this nice cubic formula to the above equation, and our above equation is written as this is x cubed minus 2 cubed, and when we apply this formula it will be written as first factor is a minus b. Here the value of a is our x and the value of b is our 2. So we substitute the values of a and b in this formula, and it will be written as x minus 2 times of this is a square. Here our a is x square plus ab. A is x and b is 2 plus b square. So b is 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 2x plus this 2 square equals to 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And from first case we easily get the value of x is equals to 2. This is the first root of the given equation, and this is the quadratic equation, and we need to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So for this we first write here the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we need to substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this nice formula. So after that it will be written as in this form. We have this is minus b, the value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square, and 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 times of 4 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So in the next step here we need more simplifications, and you see that we have this is minus 2 plus minus here inside the square root sign we have 4 be the common value, so that when you take common 4 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step we have this is minus 2 plus minus. Here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and we obtain square root of 4 into this is 1 minus 4, and we know that 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step you see that the square root of 4 becomes here 2, so we have minus 2 plus minus this square root 4 becomes 2. And further you see here when negative sign appears inside the square root sign it will becomes iota, and we get a square root of 3 times of iota. And further you see here we have this is the fraction 2, we apply this fraction separately on both of these two values. And further in the next step, we have these two and these two are gone, and we obtain -1 plus minus these two, and these two are also gone, and we get a square root of 3 times of iota. And here these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And finally we have there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and x is equals to 2 be the only one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.